I'm Barbara. Welcome to this week's episode of Craft Corner Kits to Go. April 22nd is Earth Day, so in honor of that, I thought we could make an Earth Suncatcher. So today in your kit, you are going to find a Suncatcher that you're going to make the paint and paint. So for this project, you're going to need your white glue and a paper plate and a little bit of ribbon and some food coloring and also some dish soap. So in your paper plate, you want to put about a tablespoon of white glue. And then some green food coloring. We're just going to put 1 drop and a drop of dishwashing soap. Then you want to take your paintbrush and mix it all up. And then for this Suncatcher, we're going to paint the land masses on the world green. And you don't just fill it up with this paint that you're making. You just gently use your brush and move it around so that it fills in all the areas that are land masses with the green glue mixture. I'm doing this very lightly. I'm not just making it a real thick application because I want it, when it dries, to be able to see through so that the sun can go through and make a pretty color on the earth. So you can see when I'm finished that all of my landmass has been made green. Now I'm going to rinse out my brush in a little bit of water and dry it off. Then I want to put another bunch of white glue, about the size of a quarter, maybe a little bit bigger than a quarter. And then I'm going to add 1 drop of blue and 1 drop of dishwashing liquid. And then I'm going to use my paintbrush and stir this up. Now, this is pretty dark blue, so I'm going to add a little bit more white glue to it to try and get it so it's not such a dark color. So I squeezed quite a bit more in there. And I'm going to mix that up. And see, that's made it a lighter blue color, which is what I wanted. So now we're going to go and paint where the water would be. on the world. Now again, you can see that I'm not putting it on very thick. I did get some that spilled over the edge, so I'm going to wipe that off with a paper towel, and I'm going to keep going. Now you can see I've got it all filled in. And then the last thing I'm going to do, I'm trying not to tilt it too much. I'm going to put this piece of ribbon through the hole in the top and tie a knot so that when it's dry, I can hang it in a window. So you want to set this aside and let it dry for about 24 hours. And when it's finished, it will look like this. And you can put that in the window and the sun will shine through it, and it'll be a beautiful reminder of Earth Day. That's it for this week's episode of Craft Corner Kits to Go, and we'll see you next week.